What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So it's that time again. We're doing another huge giveaway. Yes, you're getting 2 Amazon gift card giveaways back to back. So the way to enter this competition is to subscribe to these 2 channels right here. This video will be posted on both channels. So if you want to enter, you're gonna subscribe to both channels, then comment your name on this video on both channels to let us know you want to enter the competition. Then you're gonna get your family and friends to come over and subscribe to both channels, these 2 channels again, and then comment your name under this video on both channels to let us know that you sent them over to the channel to subscribe. Alright? If you are already a subscriber, that does not mean you can't enter the competition. Just drop your name under this video on both channels to let us know you want to enter, and then send over people to subscribe and just let them drop your name in the comment box so we can tally how many people you're sending. Okay? So first place will get a $25 Amazon gift card, and second place will get a $20 Amazon gift card. Next Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, I'll announce who the winners are. So the top 2 people who sent the most people over to both channels to subscribe will be the winners. We'll announce next Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Midnight on Sunday, Mountain Standard Time, that is 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm not taking any more entries, so no more recommendations, nothing. I'm cutting all that off at midnight so I can tally everything Sunday morning to announce Sunday evening. Okay? So may the best person win. See y'all next Sunday.